meeting आमचे coordination meeting for Super Cup. That semi-final and final we are hosting in Goa on this ground, PNG ground. First semi-final will be 4 o'clock, 4th December 2025, and second will be by 8 o'clock, same day, 4th December 2025. And final will be played on 7th December 2025 by 7:30. I request all crowd like football lover who always supported Goan football, Indian football, they should come in a large crowd and support our Goan football where we are missing crowd. जो कोण फुटबॉल मोगी आसा तेंच्यांनी येवचे आनी प्लेयरांक मोटिवेशन दिवपाक सपोर्ट करचो. गोवा फर्स्ट semi-final will be FC Goa is playing with Mumbai. Second semi-final will be played with Punjab, FC Punjab versus East Bengal. And final कोण वयता तेन्ना we'll get to know. And I thank Honorable Sports Minister, Director of Sports, and Honorable Chief Minister who supported us. This Super Cup always is to be happen in Odisha. So with the government support, we try to get it here, and we successfully done first round, and this is a semi-final round and final. So I request whatever government side they support us, and I need people should come and watch and enjoy the game. Like only we are missing people support. So I request आमचे गोंयचे फुटबॉल मोग्यांक तुम्ही येवचे आनीक लार्ज क्राउड करून प्लेयरांक सपोर्ट करचो. आनीक फुटबॉल गोंयान अजूनय लायक ओल्डन डेज म्हणटाले आमी फुटबॉल आमचे गोंयचे राजाचे, सो ते करून दाखोवचे आनी लार्ज क्राउड येवन.
चार्जेस आसा का फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट?
It is a free of cost. We have not kept any ticket for this because it's government supported, so we have not charged any tickets. It's a free, both semi-final and final.